Hi, I'm Ann Neville, and I'm the Vice President of Education at HDA. I work with a lot of speakers, and I work with some really unique speakers, but Sylvie definitely is on the top of the list. I knew she was going to be great. I had the opportunity to see her speak at another event before we connected with her, and it's incredible the difference. Like from even though I saw that presentation, the presentation that she gave for us today was totally customized. So all the coolness that that I saw in the original one was all there and then some. So it was really interesting to see how she could take the content that we either talked with her about that we had no idea that she was digesting as well as she was, and go on our website and realize what she could bring into this presentation. I'm mind blown. On top of that, again, working with speakers, it can be a different experience every time, of course. Some people can be really difficult to work with, and some people are super easy to work with. Sylvie is definitely on the side of someone very easy to work with. She's very clear from the very start that it's all about making everything seamless and come off without a hitch and give us, she's all about actually creating the best experience for us and for our members, and it's very clear from the very start. All I could think the whole time that I was watching the presentation is how many other people need to know about Sylvie and how many other people should be working with Sylvie for their event, because what she does is so customized. She gives shout outs to people and makes everybody look special and makes the audience feel like the people who have provided this for them are really doing something special for them. So that message came through loud and clear and made us look like rock stars.